Grand advice rarely arrived wrapped in logic. Mine came from my grandfather, and it sounded foolish. Don't save money, make it work. People laughed at him for saying things like that. He grew up in a quiet farming town, tucked between dry fields and dusty roads. Back then, everyone called him idle. He never hurried, never rushed, never got his hands dirty. He loved dreaming more than doing. Some mornings, he sat on a broken porch chair pointing at the horizon. One day I'll have cattle. One day I'll own a store. One day. But one day never showed up. It stayed somewhere in the future, unreachable, untouchable. His wife stopped arguing. She only muttered, "Dreams don't cook dinner, work does." Grandfather just shrugged. He thought time was endless. Years proved him wrong. Work became scarce. Food became thinner. And one evening, while the house was quiet, I whispered, "Grandpa, do we still have bread?" Grandma opened the cabinet. Shelves bare. Grandpa's face fell. Dreams couldn't be eaten. Hope didn't taste like anything. That night he didn't sleep. The next morning he swallowed his pride and took a job in the fields. The sun punished his back. His hands cracked open. His legs trembled. Every step felt like a shackle. At night he came home silent. Dinner was beans, tortillas, and exhaustion. The money he earned disappeared faster than it arrived. Medicine took some. Repairs took more. Life took the rest. Then one afternoon at the local store, he overheard men arguing. Saving money is safety. Saving money is the answer. Those words clung to him. He found an old glass jar and hid it beneath the bed. Each week he dropped coins inside. It sounded like tiny promises. One day I found the jar. "What's this?" "Our tomorrow," he said proudly. But tomorrow came hungry. Shoes weren't replaced. Meals shrunk. Grandma finally snapped. What future are we preparing for if we starve in the present? He didn't reply. Shame doesn't speak much. Months passed. The jar grew heavy. He marched to the market, ready to finally feel secure. But prices had climbed. The seller shook his head. Used to buy 3 sacks, now it buys 1 and some change. Inflation didn't ask permission. It just slapped him. Walking home, the jar felt heavier than before, not with money, but with disappointment. That night I asked softly, "Grandpa, what's the point of saving if the money keeps shrinking?" Again, no answer. Time grew darker. Work slowed. Food faded. Then one morning, he noticed our neighbors. No anxiety. No empty cabinets. One carried eggs. Another sold milk. Their safety didn't sit in jars. Their safety roamed the yard. Something clicked. With the last of the money, he bought ragged chickens. Ugly little things, but stubborn. "When they lay, we eat. When we sell, we buy more," he said. At first, 2 or 3 eggs a day. We ate some. Sold some. Counted all. He kept a notebook, every egg a line, every sale a smile. Soon the yard woke up with noise. Neighbors knocked for fresh eggs. We bought another chicken, then another. For the first time, his work created more work. Not chains, growth. One day he held an egg to the light and laughed. "This is better than money. It feeds us. It multiplies. It doesn't disappear while it sits." I hugged him and joked, "So you're not lazy anymore?" His eyes glistened. "No, I just learned too late." When people now praise saving, Grandpa points at the chickens. Saving money is like holding water in your hands. It slips away. Teach it to grow, even if you start small. And that became his lesson. Never just save money. Make it move. Make it multiply. Make it matter.